Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spinach and potato soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of potatoes, 6 cups of fresh spinach, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. We'll also use 4 cups of vegetable broth, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and some basic seasonings like salt and pepper. This recipe is perfect for a cozy meal. Now, let's start building the flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's soft and translucent. Then, stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter quickly. Next, we'll add the star of our soup. Add your 1 pound of peeled and diced potatoes to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, ensuring the potatoes are mostly submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Finally, it's time for the spinach. Add your 6 cups of fresh spinach to the pot, stirring gently until it wilts down, which usually takes only 2 to 3 minutes. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. You can also add a pinch of nutmeg for extra warmth. Serve your comforting spinach and potato soup hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.